In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Spaceship domain to Netlify. First of all, you need to log into your Netlify account. Then you need to click on Domains in the left menu and click Add or Register Domain. Then select Add the domain you already own. And right here we need to enter our domain name. If you don't remember the domain, you can go to the Spaceship, log into your account, then click on All Products in the top menu, go to the Domains, and right here you will find Domain Manager. You need to click on this, and you can copy your domain name. After that, you need to paste this domain right here and click on Verify. Then select Add Domain, click Continue, and you need to change the name servers. So we need to copy the first name server. Just click this copy icon right here and go back to Spaceship. After you will open your domain name, you will see this right side menu here. You need to click on Name Servers and DNS. Then click Change, select Custom Name Servers, and enter the first name server in the first gap. Then copy the second one and paste it right here. Then the third one, and click on this plus icon right here, and then the last one. Then click on Save Name Server Settings, and that's all. Now you need to wait up to 48 hours and your domain will be connected to the Netlify project. Right here you need to click on Done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.